Here we are on the inside of the Turtle Center in Georgetown, Grand Cayman. As you enter, there's a large breeding pool and a small beach in the background. These are the oldest turtles they have in the center, and then as we go throughout the center, they get younger and younger. They divide them up by age. Let's feed them around here. I thought it was so majestic how when they're swimming, they look like they're flying. With many of the older turtles, there's not an opportunity to touch them, but here you can see with some of the younger turtles, you are able to two-finger touch or pet their back, which is really fun and exciting. Oh, here one comes. Oh, maybe not. Gentle, okay. I don't know. A lot of babies.
Especially for small here.
The best part, babies. Here at the end, there's a large lagoon with an opportunity to snorkel with sea turtles and other wildlife. Super cool. Thanks for watching.